Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from Polytechnic Tuanku Sultanah Bahiyah. We want to present about case study subject manufacturing system. My group member is Muhammad Firdaus bin Rohaizar, Azhar Shazwan bin Shahril Anwar, and lastly Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Piah. My lecturer name for this subject is Muhammad Nasai bin Mahyudin.
Now we want to introduce all the presenter. For voice 1 is Muhammad Firdaus bin Rohaizar.
For voice 2 is Azhar Shazwan bin Shahril Anwar.
Lastly, voice 3 Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Piah.
For the question 1, in chapter 5, Lean system, we have learned about lean manufacturing system and continuous improvement approach. Based on what you have learned, for the question 1A, define lean manufacturing system. The answer is lean system are operation system that maximize the value add by each of a company's activities by paring unnecessary resource and delays from them.
Now, for question 1B, develop a chart contrasting the philosophies of mass production and leans. For leans, build to order. For mass production, make and sell. For lean, economies of speed. For mass production, economies of scale. For lean is effective. For mass production is efficient. For lean, pull from customer. For mass production, push to customer. For lean, small lot. For mass production is large batch. For lean is quick changeover. For mass production is change unimportant. For lean is production cell, and for mass production is functional silos. For leans, right size machine, and for mass production is big fast machine. And then for lean, fast to respond, and mass production slow to change. For lean, adaptive, mass production is rigid, inflexible. And finally, for lean is general knowledge. For mass production is specialized knowledge.
For the question 1C, explain how lean process know when and how much to produce. We refer to lot size. Lot size means is refer to the quantity of an item ordered for delivery on specific date or manufactured in a single production run. Question 2. Lean manufacturing system is a method derived from Toyota production system created by Taiichi Ohno. The Toyota production system identified 8 ways from mass production system. Question 2A. List the 8 ways in lean manufacturing system. We have 8 points in this question. Point 1. Defect. Effort caused by reward scrap and incorrect information. Point 2. Overproduction. Producing more than is need or before is need. Point 3. Waiting. Wasted time waiting for the next step in the process. Point 4. No utilized talent. Underutilizing people, talent, skill and knowledge. Point 5. Transportation. Unnecessary movement of product or material. Point 6. Inventory. Excess product and material being processed. Point 7. Mention unnecessary movement by people. Point 8. Extra processing. More work or higher quality than is required by the customer.
Now, for the question 2B, discuss how traditional mass production contribute to the 8 ways. The answer is machinery is very expensive to buy, so production lines are very expensive to set up. Workers are not very motivated since their work is very repetitive. Thence, not very flexible as a production line is difficult to adapt. Finally, if one part of the line breaks, the whole production process will have to stop until it is repaired.
For the question 2C, discuss how lean manufacturing impacts each of the 8 ways. The answer is because it uses less labor, less material, less time, and less space to produce a given batch with fewer defects. When compared to traditional manufacturing methodologies, it is the best way to achieve extremely high level of quality with manual process.
Alright, now we go to question 3. By using your own example, illustrate how Kanban works. If you want to know, Kanban board or visual task organization tool that can help you manage and oversee your project's development faster and more accurately. You can move tasks placed on card from one column to another with a drag and drop action until they are complete. This is example student Kanban. What we need to do is test 2 DJF5042 industrial robotic, and then quiz 1 DJJ5133 engineering design, and finally test 1 DJF5053 GM feature. What is in progress is an chapter DJF5042 industrial robotic. And secondly, case study DUE5012 communicative English. And lastly, case study DJF5053 CAD-CAM. And what we have done or complete is quiz 1 DJF5033 GM feature. And secondly, quiz 1 DJF5022 manufacturing system. And lastly, quiz 1 DJF5123 pneumatic and hydraulic.
For the question 4, based on situation below, a cafe baked breads and pastries for the entire week, freezing them which required a lot of space. Piles of flour bags and boxes of pastries ready for delivery seem to occupy very available square inch. A few weeks ago, a supplier called to tell they would not be able to supply the raw material on time. For the question 4a, identify lean approach with explanation on lessening the impact of waste. The answer is reduce waste choose by excess inventory and overproduction. In the lean manufacturing model, any inventory that is not directly required to fulfill specific customer order in a potential waste. Compare existing inventory with sale data before production to decrease the volume of excess inventory.
Question 4b. List expect benefit from each approach applied in 4a. What we expect from 4a. Point 1. Reduce waste caused by excess inventory and overproduction. Point 2. Minimize labor expenditures related to unnecessary motion. Point 3. Decrease transportation related waste. Point 4. Reduce overprocessing waste.
Thank you for watching our assignment.
Hopefully, you guys can learn something from our presentation.
Don't forget to like and share.
Thank you.